You said you do smoke. You a smokers?
Yeah.
Half a pack per day?
Yeah.
What?
Looks.
So you have too much money for smoking.
wanna
Smoking
one.
cigarette is very expensive.
One sip.
Open your mouth, honey. Ah.
Ah.
Your tongue out. You see how your tongue is yellow? Is
Yeah,
it
that's
white?
coffee.
No, it's
Coffee.
cigarette. It's not a coffee. Because of the smoke.
Mm.
Smoke is causes stains. Stain goes on your teeth and on your tongue. Can you open again, please? Your tongue out. Oh, yeah, your tongue out completely. More. Okay, put it inside, please. That's fine. Open. So when was your last cleaning?
Probably like 4 months ago.
4 months.
More 5 months ago, most likely.
Okay. Are you sensitive? Like your teeth is sensitive?
No.
So when you brush your floss, do you flossing between your teeth?
Yes, I am.
And what about brushing?
Yeah, I am.
You do?
Yeah.
You do flossing and brushing? How many
Yeah.
times a day?
Once.
In the morning or at night?
In the morning.
Morning? So why are you missing at night? Why you're not brushing at night? Before you go to sleep, all the food is inside of your mouth. You fall asleep with lots of foods.